The world outside is cold and biting, but what if you could capture perfect calm? The feeling of sinking into pure comfort. It all begins with a single spark. Escaping the world for just a moment. Losing yourself in a quiet story, where the only thing that matters is now. This isn't just about feeling warm. It is about crafting a feeling, creating a sanctuary from the noise. It is a memory in the making. So let's build the perfect winter night together. So how do we craft this perfect cozy night? It begins with gathering our tools. Our experience rests on 3 pillars: atmosphere, nourishment, and pure comfort. Choose scents like spiced cinnamon or crisp pine to transport you. Add layers of soft ambient light, nothing too bright, just a gentle sparkle. And finally, a curated playlist, smooth jazz or a gentle lo-fi beat. First, let's set the atmosphere. We start with a warm, flickering glow. Next, we need nourishment, something warm for the soul. Start with a high-quality cocoa. The richer, the better. Add a few squares of dark chocolate for pure decadence. And of course, don't forget the perfect fluffy topping. Finally, the heart of it all, ultimate comfort. Find your favorite blanket, weighted faux fur, or a classic quilt. A pair of warm socks is an absolute must, and a good book to get lost in for hours. With our essentials gathered, it is time to bring our sanctuary to life. Now, for the heart of the evening, we're not just making a drink, we're crafting liquid gold. Listen to that satisfying snap. Start with a foundation of creamy, whole milk. Gently warm it just until it begins to whisper. Now, introduce the chocolate to the warm milk. Watch as it melts, releasing that incredible, rich aroma. Whisk until it is perfectly smooth and utterly decadent. The moment we've been waiting for, a perfect pour. Breathe that in. That is the scent of pure comfort. A soft landing for a few fluffy marshmallows. And for the final touch, a little extra magic. Our masterpiece is complete. The perfect companion for the night ahead. With our perfect drink ready, it is time to build our sanctuary. First, we turn down the harsh overhead lights and invite a softer, warmer glow. One by one, we light the candles, letting their warmth fill every corner. For an extra touch of magic, a little sparkle changes everything. Now, for the main event, comfort. Drape your favorite blanket just so. Fluff the pillows until they're perfect. The stage is set. Your sanctuary is complete. All that is left to do is press play and escape. And now, you rest. The world outside can wait. This moment is yours. Feel the warmth spread through you. Let your mind find its quiet place. Listen only to the crackle of the fire, the weight of the blanket, a gentle hug. Watch the gentle dance of light. This is your sanctuary, your perfect moment. So, what is one thing that makes your winter night perfect? Share it with us below.